Last episode, I reached out to more than 25 med spas, and then something unexpected happened. I thought this channel was going to document me building one AI business from scratch, but the deeper I went, the more I realized something important. As someone who's been studying AI long before it became mainstream and who built a successful business using AI in under 2 months, which you can actually see for yourself at proofyouwerefirst.com, I'm sitting on way more value than just showing one niche, one offer, or one type of AI agent. Because over the last few days, even while I was messaging those med spas, I kept on getting better ideas, simpler ones, more profitable ones, ideas that felt genuinely accessible to anyone willing to take action. And that's when I realized something else. I spent most of my life in financial struggle. AI changed that for me. It gave me the ability to build something real, something that created financial freedom when nothing else worked. So instead of making this channel about me making one AI business, I want it to be about giving you the ideas that could create your own financial freedom in the next 3 to 6 months. Ideas that remove guesswork, ideas that solve real problems people already pay for, ideas that you can turn into your first paying customer, all the way to covering your bills, your peace, your stability, so you never have to feel that kind of financial pressure that I've felt for most of my life. That's the mission now. This channel is going to become a place where I break down AI business ideas in a way anyone can understand, who it helps, why it works, the pain point it solves, how to get your first paying customer, and how to scale it until your needs are covered and your financial stress is gone. And even though I have plenty of ideas lined up, I want to build this with you, not just for you. So if there's a niche you're curious about, or if you already have a business and you want to know how AI could take it further, tell me in the comments. Because AI isn't only about starting something new. AI can also automate parts of your current business, make your operations more efficient, reduce your costs, help you land more customers, create new revenue streams around what you already do, or take something you're good at and multiply the value of it. Some people need a brand new idea. Others just need the right AI system to finally make their existing business profitable. So whatever your situation is, whether you're starting from zero or you already have something built, I want to hear from you. Your niche, your interests, your background, your business, because I want this channel to help you build real stability using the tools that changed my life. I'm going to wait a few days before I post the next video so I can read everything carefully. And I'll even make check-in videos showing which idea I'm choosing, why I chose it, and how I'll break it down into future episodes. This isn't just going to be me posting content. This is us building something together, whether that means creating a brand new AI business or transforming the one you already have. If that's something you want, subscribe, because when the next episode drops later in the week, we're going to start turning your ideas into real momentum. Let's build something together. Let's build your freedom.